In this video, you will get to know how you need to study each and every individual subjects and how you need to plan for the next 45 days. This is Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel, The Life Baker. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. Today I have made this video for all the CA Foundation students who are new to this CA journey. Since you know your exams are again postponed and it will start from 8th of December, you have got 48 days with you to prepare perfectly well. I have come up with 45 days plan for your revision and 3 days for your accounts revision, which is your first paper. In this video, you will get to know how you need to study each and every individual subjects and how you need to plan for the next 45 days. I'm also assuming that you have completed your course once and have all the notes in your hand. You are ready to revise for the next 45 days in a proper, focused and disciplined way. So let's get started. So students, today we'll talk about how to study and plan for CA Foundation paper. You have got approx 45 days for your revision, in which there will be many holidays in between. So don't defer it, don't delay it. Start from today so that you can enjoy your festival also with your family. Exams will start from 8th December. You have got 4 subjects. You need to get 50% in individual subjects and 40% aggregate to pass your CA Foundation. So now we'll talk about all the 4 subjects which you need to study. The first subject is accounts, जिसमें you have to practice, solve question papers, at least 2 to 3 papers आप solve करो after you complete your course so that you are ready for your exam. Do ICI model test papers, practice as much as possible and keep your concepts perfectly clear. Make short notes of your concepts, then one question. Filter your questions, categorize ABC. Wherever you stuck, please mark with a star so that you see it again later. In your second subject, which is business law and BCR, you need to read because it's a theory subject. Make short notes, write technical words in another diary, write sample answers just like the way you wish to write in your paper in your exam. Presentation skills matter a lot in law paper and in BCR as well. Solve at least 2 to 3 papers and match your answer with the sample answers given in ICAI. For BCR, you need to improve your general English. This subject is just to improve your communication writing skills. So the more you write and practice, the more you are prepared because both the subjects are subjective. So paper presentation skills should be taken care of. Then the third subject is maths, statistics, logical reasoning. जिसमें you need to practice again. Make notes for formulas and tricks which will help you to solve MCQs fast. Solve at least 2 to 3 papers to improve your speed because you need to solve your paper as fast as possible. Keep your concepts very clear. Solve as much as questions, as much as MCQs possible for you. Then the last subject is business economics and BCK. In this you need to read, highlight your points, jot down point wise whatever you feel that MCQ can come. Solve as many MCQs as possible. Do ICI module. The more you solve, the better you will perform in these subjects because it is MCQ. You need to be very fast. BCK, that will be 40 marks. ICI module is a must. Okay, you need to read the concepts, you need to understand the concepts. Make charts to memorize about companies, about funding organizations, about non-funding organizations. It's better if you use short codes or drawings or charts to memorize it. Both the papers are objective, so solve as many MCQs as possible for you. Students, you can also look into Scanner because it is a compilation of past year question papers subject wise and chapter wise. It will help you to know what type of questions come in your exam. So prepare well, practice more and more so that you are ready to give your paper perfectly. Since CA Foundation students, you are new into the CA journey, I thought of helping you with the study plan as well. You have got 48 days in your hand. 45 days का planning करो and 3 days you leave for your revision of your accounts, which is your first paper. Plan for first 20 days, one theory and one practical. For the first revision, take accounts and business eco BCK together, because one is MCQ based and one is proper subjective. So you can practice for your questions and MCQs won't take much of your time. So in 10 days you will be able to complete properly. In the next 10 days, study law and maths statistics, one MCQ and one subjective. So in this way you will be able to manage both the subjects properly and study in the best way. Make a daily plan of yours. I have made a video on how to make your daily routine. You can go and watch it now. First 10 days routine, execute it, then you plan for your next 10 days. You should know what you want to study whenever you sit to study. It should be clear in your mind. Practical subject, fix a topic for each hour and stick to the plan. Practice more and more. And for theory subject, divide the total number of pages for each day which you need to study daily. Okay, so the first revision will be completed in 20 days. Next revision 15 days, in which plan for accounts and law together, because this too is your first paper. Read in that sequence of your timetable only, so that बहुत ज़्यादा gap नहीं रहेगा. The more the gap, the more it will be difficult to memorize or to remember. So read accounts and law for 8 days, maths and economics for 7 days, and you will be through your second revision. And for the last revision, your 10 days plan, 5 days each, accounts, law, maths, economics. I really wish and hope that you have made a proper diary for yourself for each subject and proper notes, so that you can revise on the final day. Short notes, tricks, formulas, charts, drawings, which will help you to revise fast and quickly. There are some common tips which will help you to prepare perfectly. Review every night whatever you have studied. Give more and more mock test papers after completing each subject. It will prepare you for the final exam day, for the stress which we get when we give our exams. If you are weak in any subject, give more efforts to it, because you have to pass in all the subjects. Each and every subject is very, very important. Make short-term plan and try to execute it. While studying, keep filtering, keep categorizing, so that you are ready for the last day. If you stuck in any point, you will be able to remember that in this point you were stuck, and now you can revise it properly. Smart study is a must. Discipline is a must in CA course. Complete everything of the chapter you have allotted on that day. It is very, very important. And separate diary for each subject is a must. There you can write your tricks, your notes, your formulas, technical words, sample answers, and you'll be ready for your exam. Practice in a ruled copy, because you need to write in 2-line copies in your exam. So since the exams are postponed, you have got an opportunity to prepare better so that you can make the most of it. Give your full effort, give your full, strength to study as much as possible. Every attempt is important. You cannot afford to waste a single attempt. Be positive, have faith in yourself. Today is the day, plan it well. Students, all the very best. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. So that's all on how to study your individual subjects of CA Foundation and how to plan your next 45 days. I really hope this video is useful to each and every student of CA Foundation. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.